Hey, to increase frames per second in your games on the PS5 Slim, we can actually change some settings. So go to the settings in the right upper corner, and from here, let's start from the save data and the game app settings. First of all, go into the game presets and be sure that you actually enable the performance mode. Next, go into the screen and the video, open the video output, and from here you can actually adjust the resolution. So we get option to play on the 4K, 2K, Full HD and HD. If you have issues with any games, just try to lower your resolution. Next, it will be also good if you turn on the VRR. In my case, unfortunately, my monitor doesn't support this feature, but when you open it, you can also find small description that will actually allow the refresh rate to adjust it in real time while using TV and games that support this option. Next, you can also turn on this 120 Hz output, and also you can try to use the ALM, and that's the automatic low latency mode. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.